Hello everyone. So today in this video I am going to explain you the next section of the offering module, that is consultation. So in this section all the services that you offer to your client, all the detail it is showing here in this section. So there are few features, so I'm going to explain you one by one. So first is the add new consultation services, so you can add consultation from here. And next there is some action features is given, so you can simply view, you can add it, you can delete also any consultation. So and one more functionality is here, you can say click on this icon. This is the Excel download icon on the like consultation which you have in the listing section. So it will download in the Excel format. And the next one is the choose services drop down. So from here you can simply choose your services, like general consultations I select and click on search. So related details of the general consultations it's showing here in your search. So click on reset, your data will again reset, and again it is showing the complete list of your consultation. So now I am going to explain you how to add a consultation services. So click on add consultation services button. The side window will appear, and here you need to like every tab detail you need to fill. So every detail is mandatory, so you need to add all the details according to the given name, like services price without text you need to add, like it's 1000. So I'm going to add here. If there is any GST on the services, so you can add. If not, so keep it like 0. And if it is like 4%, 5%, whatever, so you can simply choose the number from here. Now description is also required, so you can add the description details also. Click on add. Now your new consultation detail is going to add on the listing, and you can check in the listing section. Here you can check the services name, testing, 1000, and everything. So now here in the action, three functionalities there. You can view your consultation, what all the details you have like added. So you can simply check that. If you want to add it, it's no GST I have added wrong, so you can edit it from click on edit icon directly from here. You can simply edit it like 4 to 5 and click on edit. Now your consultation is going to add it, and it is showing consultation services updated successfully. Now it's added. So this is all about the services. So this is the workflow on the consultation services section. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.